A Beginner's Guide to Robot, in Detail. Introduction. A robot is a machine designed to execute one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. Robots can be controlled by a computer program or an electronic circuit. They are used in manufacturing, transportation, medicine, and many other fields. This beginner's guide to robots will introduce you to the basics of robotics and help you understand how robots work. Number 1. Types of robots. There are many types of robots, but they can be broadly categorized into two categories: industrial robots and service robots. Industrial robots are used in manufacturing processes, while service robots are used in a variety of settings, including hospitals, hotels, and homes. Other types of robots include educational robots, military robots, and entertainment robots. Number 2. Components of robots. A robot typically consists of several components, including a controller, actuators, sensors, and a power supply. The controller is the brain of the robot, and it receives commands from the computer or electronic circuit that controls the robot. The actuators are the robot's motors or other mechanical devices that move the robot's arms, legs, or other parts. The sensors are used to detect the robot's environment and help it navigate through it. The power supply provides the energy needed to run the robot. New. Beer 3. Programming robots. Programming a robot involves writing a computer program that tells the robot what to do. The program can be written in a variety of programming languages, including C++, Python, and Java. The program typically includes instructions for the robot's movement, sensing, and decision-making. Programming a robot can be a complex task, and it requires a good understanding of robotics and programming. Number 4. Applications of robots. Robots are used in a variety of applications, including manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and entertainment. In manufacturing, robots are used to assemble products, paint cars, and perform other tasks that require precision and speed. In transportation, robots are used in driverless cars and drones. In healthcare, robots are used for surgery and to assist with rehabilitation. In entertainment, robots are used in theme parks and other venues. Conclusion. Robots are becoming more prevalent in our society, and they are changing the way we live and work. Understanding how robots work and how to program them is becoming increasingly important.